In today's video, we will be talking about the best software development trends in 2022. We're living in an era where technology keep updating themselves to stay up to date with the current demands and requirements, and that we will see major diversions in software development trends this year. There will be many technologies, but only a few of them will dominate and take a lead. It is very important for companies to adopt new technologies to compete with other unicorns. So, let's start with the first one. Cloud. Cloud will be the lead of the universe for software development. Companies are migrating to the cloud for almost all requirements. Organizations are switching to cloud for their IT-based requirements. Cloud computing can be the most effective technology in 2022, as it will help companies for the best allocation of their resources and reduce overall expenditures. Different cloud models will help you in different manners in terms of infrastructure, platform, and software. The most common types of cloud deployments are 1. Private cloud. It is a server, data center, network completed dedicated to a single organization, the only organization that will be able to utilize the benefits of the private cloud. 2. Public cloud. It is shared by multiple organizations. There will be a vendor who will provide these resources to a different organization. 3. Hybrid cloud. It is a combination of both types of cloud where some resources will be shared and some are privately owned by organizations. The second software development trend is digital automation. People are approaching more towards automation and streamlining of digital workflow. Low-code development is at the peak, as now more solutions are there which allow even non-developers to develop web and mobile applications. All manual processes are shifting to automation. Even the simple Excel sheet-based tasks are automated to optimize the resources and faster delivery of projects. The reason for moving towards digital automation is that it reduces the effort for manpower and workforce. Automation of the processes saves a lot of time and money. The next one in our software development trends is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is focused on providing intelligence to the machine. It believes that the work done by a human can be done by machines too. One of the fields of the computer science building smart machines that can provide human-based daily tasks. Siri, Alexa, and Google Voice Search all are examples of artificial intelligence. There are many examples too. When you Google something, then it starts showing you similar types of suggestions, Netflix recommendations. All these are examples of artificial intelligence. The next one is Web 3. The bigger evolution of the web is Web 3. These types of applications are famous for their sophistication and interactivity. They go forward from standard of the simple and static page in older web versions. Web 3 applications can be easily built using JavaScript. They are more dynamic and responsive. They take advantage of modern computer hardware and provide faster load times. The last one is 5G network. 5G network came to Earth with revolution, and it will grow more and more this year. 5G network means that the connection ability will definitely improve. It will allow users to receive online offers all over the world. It will provide the improved speed of mobile connections. It will give a new direction for implementing complex innovations like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and augmented reality to mobile apps. That brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like the video and subscribe to DevDev Show YouTube channel to see more content like this.